Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for our very bright LAMP students. This is for Auriculomedicine group of the LAMP Auriculomedicine Society. We are going to continue with the diagnostics by asking or interrogation or interview. Let us now get started with the first one. Can I call on Dr. Che of Palawan? Good afternoon, Doc Che.
Good afternoon, Doc.
Okay. We will continue where we left off last time. So for today, the first question is, what is the nature and pattern of pulling pain? So if a patient comes to you complaining of pulling pain, what are the possible patterns? Doc She.
The patterns, liver wind, liver disorders, Doc.
Okay. So una-una, the nature, anong klase ba itong pulling
At
pain? So it is
the
spasmodic,
nature is
and it is short.
short injury.
Yes. Yeah, you're correct. It is liver wind or liver disorders. Think of this as a strong wind that pull at the roots of a tree. That is what we call pulling pain. So a very good practitioner will always
Mhm.
describe this kind of pain. Okay. Ang feeling mo ba parang may strong wind that pull sa root ng tree? Matindi, no? What about burning pain, Doc She?
Burning pain, the nature is the burning sensation and preference for coolness. So
Mhm.
mas gusto niya yung mas malamig. And then the pattern is fire heat invading the collaterals, yin deficiency with empty heat.
So it's a
And the location of the pain
yeah, hypochondria.
are hypochondriac regions on both sides and epigastric region.
Very good. Great. Okay, so every time you ask for this kind of pain, you will always think of fire, no? Or if it's
Mm.
collateral involvement, so branches lang, or you will look at the tongue, confirm mo, definitely the tongue will look red with no coating, yin deficiency with empty heat. And then the pain would be on the hypochondria below the ribs and on the epigastrium. Okay, what about cold pain, Doc Shen?
The nature of cold pain is having cold sensation and preference for warmth. And the pattern is excess cold blocking the collaterals, yang qi deficiency and able to warm organs and channels. And the location are head, lumbar, epigastric, and abdominal region.
Yeah. Usually sa head, no? Malamig ang ulo. Have you experienced, have you had patients kasi, a very, ordinary practitioner will always ask, may pain ba? But you have to be very, very detailed, no? So, meron palang cold pain.
Parang may pasyente na ako dito kahapon, Dok, ganito. Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Kasi sabi niya, ma'am, pag, pag naglalanghap ako, kasi medyo masakit yung ano niya, Dok, eh. May epigastric pain siya. Sabi niya, bakit po ganun, Dok, na parang pag, pag lumalanghap daw siya, malamig, pero pag pumapasok daw siya, parang mainit daw. Pero hindi ko siya mag-gets bakit ganun yung sinabi niya sa akin.
Yun na yun, naghahanap ng sabaw para,
Gusto niya ng,
naghahanap ng kape parate.
oo, oo.
See?
Palagi niyang gusto ng ano, hindi nga niya maintindihan eh. Kaya parang ganito yung naramdaman niya, parang gusto niya ng mainit kasi pag nalalanghap niya daw yung hangin,
Mhm.
parang malamig.
Okay, great.
Hindi ko siya masyado siguro ganito yung pain niya.
Yeah. Matindi, no? And we should also be aware na depende din sa location yan eh. So you have to memorize even the
Mm-mm.
location. What about dull pain? Kasi pag sinabi mong dull pain, hindi po ito yung medyo parang walang kwenta.
Mm-mm.
Usually ito yung mga deficiency.
The-
Okay, can you tell us about
Mm-mm.
dull pain? I think this is the pain that is very tolerable, very bearable? Nasaan?
The nature is, ano doc, not severe, bearable, lingering and may not last for a long time.
Okay.
And the pattern is cold syndromes or deficiency type.
Okay. Mabilis lang siya, so kaya hindi masyadong nagko-complain. So, it really takes a very good practitioner to ask this kind of question, especially pag nakita mo, uh, very weak yung pulse. Hindi lang weak, minsan malalim siya tapos tight siya, no? Cold syndrome. What about hollow pain? Kung may hollow pulse, meron din tayong hollow pain.
So the nature of the hollow pain is pain with hollow sensation, and the pattern is blood deficiency leading to emptiness of the vessels, retardation of blood circulation.
Okay, easy, no? Hollow, parang walang lang, parang may bakante. Buti naman wala pa. Ewan ko kung may nakaka-relate dito niya. So, this is not simply just asking yung pain. You have to be very, very accurate by asking the type of pain. So, pag hindi mo rin alam kung anong klaseng pain yun, hindi yun sasabihin ng pasyente mo. Okay, let us now go to questions about food and taste. And then, so even if we are doing the ear, it pays a lot to, like I had a patient kanina, so she's been receiving acupuncture since the 90s. So sabi niya, first time ko itong mangganito, tumitingin sa dila. So until eventually we ended the session by saying, ano, pulse, nag-iba talaga yung pulse niya. Kaya I'm very, very excited to share this with you, no? So this is something that's so amazing. And so yun, nagkaroon ako ng, kaya next time, na-convince ko na siya mag-aculate. She came because of headache. Yun. Sabi niya, ano to ah? And then I'm very excited because she's part of this Rotary group. So we already made plans for, for some activities in the future. And she told me that her husband is who will be the next director for the community service. Sabi niya, tama-tama. So kukunin ko na siya and we're going to make them part of the Auricular Medicine Society that we are actually thinking of building. So just give me some more time. Oh, 'di ba? Sana sa Palawan ganun din. So, Doc She, we expect a lot from you. Ikaw na mag-initiate dyan. We would like to create a new breed of practitioners that will earn the respect of medical doctors. Hindi yung para tayong mga nagpupumilit na ano. So because someday I know
Actually, nako-compare ako sa ibang mga ano dito,
practitioners.
naturopath dito at saka mga practitioner. Sabi niya, kasi yung iba gumagamit pa rin ng ano, machines. Bakit sabi niya,
Mhm.
ba't ikaw, ma'am, ano, yung ginagawa mo, tumitingin ka sa dila, sa
Oo.
pulso,
Kasi
sa
magaling.
tenga, ganon.
Okay naman yung machine. Kaya
Uh,
for me kasi,
so,
hindi ako masyadong impressed for those people who use machines. It's the machine that is good. So sabihin ko na lang yung pasyente, bumili ka na lang sarili mong machine. Sorry.
mm. Hindi kasi Dok, ano eh, kahit sa, hindi naman siya accredited din na kasama sa assessment ng
Oo
PTAC,
nga.
DOH eh,
Oo
yung mga
nga.
machine na ginagamit.
Pati ayaw ko din yung tumutunog.
So, why do you?
Totoo.
Mm,
So thank you so much, Doc She, for good luck sa husband mo na magiging mayor yata ng Palawan. Saan pa?
hindi pa.
Okay.
Puerto Princesa.
Doc She, let's continue. Okay. All you have to do is answer. Ano ba? Like, if the condition of the patient is relieved by eating, anong pattern kaagad na nasa utak mo? No?
Deficient to. Deficient.
Yes. Pag aggravated siya by
Or
eating lumala, that's
excess. Kasi, syempre, ano na eh, puno na nga, tapos dadagdagan mo pa.
kasi merong phlegm, merong food retention, diba? What about lack of
Yes.
appetite? Ano una mo kaagad iisipin? Anong pattern?
Ay, ano daw, spleen chi deficiency daw.
Very good. Parating gutom, magastos. Katulad nung kasama namin sa spa, every 2 hours ata akong makain. But anyway, sorry. So, sabi ko magastos ka sa pagkain na. So, tininan ko yung dila niya. Totoo nga. Masyadong pula yung nasa gitna. Anong pattern po ito,
Full
Doc She?
stomach heat, Doc.
Okay. Or stomach fire, no? Pareho lang yata. Yun. Okay. Feeling of fullness after eating. Pagkatapos mong kumain, parang ang bigat-bigat ng feeling.
Dampness, Doc.
Yes. And then you prefer hot foods and drink.
Siyempre cold pattern.
Of
Kasi feeling cold siya, kailangan niya ng heat.
yes. You prefer cold food. Siyempre.
Siyempre heat pattern, kabaliktaran.
Yes. Okay, andyan na po. I will share this later, no? Okay, what about bitter taste po? What does it indicate?
Liver or heart,
Yeah.
full
Actually,
heat
to
pattern.
differentiate it further, no? Ang liver, pag liver yan, or liver fire, or gallbladder heat, gallbladder fire ba yan? Ang bitter taste niya, like the whole, ito pala, next pala ito. Sorry. So, but bitter taste lang pwedeng liver or heart. Ang susunod pala, sorry po. Constant yung bitter taste. Ano yung pattern?
Liver fire or excessive heat in the gallbladder.
Okay. Okay. Ito naman, if hindi ka nakatulog the night before, then paggising mo sa umaga, map, ano ba bitter? Mapait? No? Mapait ba?
Pait, mapait.
Pagising mo,
Mapait, Doc.
oo. Especially kung nagpuyat ka, tapos pagising mo mapait. So anong po ang pattern?
Heart fire or liver fire attacking the heart.
Okay. Ito naman, sweet taste. Siguro sweet yung tao, no? Ano po ito? Sweet.
Spleen deficiency or damp heat.
Sour taste. Maasim yung panlasa.
Disharmony of liver and stomach.
Okay. Magkatambal talaga yung liver and stomach, no? Napansin mo? Like, ako kasi, when I check the liver pulse, I would always compare it with the stomach pulse. Minsan, malalaman
Mm,
kung gutom na yung pasyente kasi grabe yung pulse sa stomach. Do you agree?
mm.
Salty taste.
Kidney deficiency, Doc.
Yes. Pungent taste.
Long heat.
Okay. Lack of taste sensation. Napakapangit nito, no? Wala kang taste. Parang napakapangit ng buhay. Hindi mo nalalasan. Yes,
Ay,
lack of taste sensation. Walang panlasa kahit kumain na. What's your answer? No, wala yata.
liver pa rin ba yun siya, Doc? Liver?
Ano? Mm, usually erto eh. Spleen and stomach.
Spleen and stomach.
Sabi nga ni ano, I have a friend here. I think you know Dr. Raya. Sabi niya, ay,
Yes
kumain
po.
na tayo ng kumain. Mabuti yan kasi nalalasahan ba natin yung food. Kailan ba tayo, hintayin pa natin na wala ng panlasa? O sige, eat.
Grabing principle.
Oo, grabing principle. Tapos mag inject ng insulin. Okay. Next, what
Stomach
does the
disease.
following in regards to ito constipation, ha? So if you have this kind of questions, hindi ka makakalimutan ng mga clients mo. So kung ako sa inyo po, you make a what do you call it? There's a term for it when I was still an intern. Parang idiot notes. Yeah, idiot. Meron ka kaagad about ay, ano ba yan? Ano mo? Kung lumalala ba yung constipation? Yung problema mo pagkatapos mong dumimi or nare-relieve? Yung mga ganon. No?
Mm.
So let's start with the first one, Doc She.
So, if a person feels aggravated or feels a condition of aggravation after a bowel movement, it shows empty or deficient pattern.
So kung after a bowel movement, excess yun siya, no? O ito, dito na mga makikita yung galing natin sa tongue, no? Acute constipation with thirst. Tapos dry yellow tongue coating. Obvious
Mm.
na obvious. What's your answer here?
Heat, heat, heat in stomach and intestines.
Okay, always remember na partner
Heat
talaga
na
para
heat ng
oh yeah, stomach and LI. Kaya kung masyadong toxic yung LI mo, kaya it makes sense, no, when you do detoxification, when you do cleansing, it also improves your
Mm,
stomach, no?
yeah, yeah.
Congrats. Parang alam ko excited na
Mm.
excited ka kahit Mercury retrograde. Constipation in the elderly. Actually, tama yan. Nagkagulo yung appointment ko kanina as in. Anyway, so
Mm.
hindi na natuloy yung isa. Okay. Constipation in the elderly or women after childbirth.
Blood deficiency.
Yes. Uh, small, dry, bitty stools. Parang stools ng goat.
Goat. Ay, meron akong pasyente nito kanina, Doc.
Hmm.
Heat in intestines or liver tree stagnation.
Okay. Yeah. This is so
Ito
good.
yung ano ko.
So now you know what to do. Difficulty in
Yeah.
performing bowel movement, pero ang stools hindi dry.
Liver tree stagnation.
Yes. Yeah. Kasi pag dry, iba na yon, no? Constipation with abdominal pain.
Yeah. Cold, Doc, which may be excess or deficient.
Yes. Yeah. Constipation with dry stools, dry mouth, desire to drink in small sips. Ito palang napaka-obvious na small sip. Answer.
Dry stools, small sips.
Mm. Konti lang iniinom niya. Gusto niya uminom pero kukunti lang.
Mm,
Parating naka-straw lang. Naka, yun, yung, usually payat yan sila.
excess pattern pa rin siya. Yes, excess pattern siya, Doc.
Small sips. I think it's
Heat,
deficiency.
deficient.
Deficient to.
Young.
Empty heat.
Uh,
Oo, kasi
okay.
galing siya sa yin deficiency. Stomach kidneys. No?
Mm.
Alternation. Minsan constipated, minsan may diarrhea.
Deficiency pa rin, Doc. Or
No. Humihina ang ano. Um, so it's basically liver and spleen. So it's liver cheese stagnation invading the spleen. Okay? So nandito po yan sa ating
mm,
notes. Let's go now to diarrhea. Chronic loose stools or diarrhea. What's the pattern?
spleen yang deficiency po or kidney yang
Yes.
deficiency.
They always go together, no? So you need to really be very good on which came first ba? Is it the kidney deficiency or the spleen? Okay, chronic diarrhea occurring every day. Ito very common. Daybreak diarrhea or cock's crow diarrhea.
Kidney yang deficiency po.
Yes, diarrhea with abdominal pain. So pag may pain,
Kasama ba yan, Doc, kasama ba yan, Doc, pag ano siya, pag may diarrhea siya ng 12 midnight?
kahit anong oras. Hmm. Kahit anong oras. Actually, I know of someone talagang, kasi ano uh, ito, yung ano naman niya dahil sa cold, grabe, sumakit talaga yung tiyan niya, dumumi siya ng dumumi. Anyway, what's your answer here? Diarrhea with abdominal pain. There's pain.
Liver, heat, Doc, heat.
Okay. Liver involvement or heat. Diarrhea, tapos may mucus sa stools.
Dampness in the
Yes.
intestines.
Or damp heat. What about diarrhea with mucus and blood? Yeah,
Damp heat in the intestine.
yes. Yung kanina, dampness lang kasi wala palang blood. Sorry, ah. Yeah,
So,
dampness.
so
Loose,
yung mucus, doc, how are we going to ask? Kasi hindi ko pa na-encounter to
parang
na
may
ano.
sipon.
Mucus yung parang,
May sipon.
okay.
Oo, sipon.
Mm,
May mga pasyente sabi nila, ay parang ano. Kaya pag alam mo na kaagad, kita mo yung dila niya, masyadong thick ang coating.
mm,
Ano mo na, yung bang dumi mo may sipon. Mucus. Bahala
okay.
kung kinorek ka pa. Mucoid
Mm.
stools. Okay. Loose stools tapos undigested food. Yung kinain niya andun pa rin.
Spleen Chi deficiency or spleen yang deficiency.
Okay, very good. What about, tuloy pa rin po tayo, diarrhea. Stools not loose or slightly loose, but very frequent. Patient cannot hold them easily. So talagang dudumi siya kaagad. May mga ganun, no?
Stomach Chi deficiency.
Mm. May spleen cheese sinking. Black or very dark stools.
Blood stasis.
Yes. Diarrhea with abdominal painfulness, undigested food.
Large intestine cold.
Yes. Blood comes first, bright red, tapos nag splash sa in all directions.
Damp heat in the intestines. Damp heat
Saan yung
or
dito?
hindi pa ba to ano to?
Heat pa to, heat
Blood.
pa to. Blood heat, heat in the blood.
Heat pa lang siya do. Oo.
Tapos fresh nga yung blood. Blood blood comes first and is
Mm-mm.
turbid and the anus feels heavy and is painful.
Heat in the blood.
Ay, dump heat pala. Dump heat. Blood first.
Mm.
Nauna yung blood. So heat. Okay. Dump heat in the
Mm-mm.
intestine. Sorry po. Kasi blood na blood to eh.
Oo.
No? At saka,
Mm-mm. Bright red na siya do eh.
right red. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry
Mm-mm.
po. Tao lang. Tapos itong blood comes first. Tapos
Mm.
turbid. Ito po yung, ano, tapos yung
Heat na talaga.
yeah, heat in the blood. Sorry. Okay. Kasi kung wala namang heat, wala din mamasakit yung puwet. That's ano to, damp heat lang po in the intestines. Stools come
Mm.
first and then may blood. Tapos watery.
Spleen Chi is sinking or deficient.
Yeah, deficiency. Actually, spleen chi sinking is
Deficient.
also spleen chi deficiency. No. Next, we go to diarrhea naman. Foul, ito, very common to, foul-smelling stools.
Heat talaga. Mabaho.
So, dapat hindi mabaho yung ating dumi. So, pag mabaho,
Yeah.
may heat. Burning sensation in the anus. Alam mo,
Yeah.
isang reason bakit may heat, ang daming dumi. Nakapondo. Kaya kailangan mag-ano.
Oo, kasi ano yan. Oo, kasi napapansin ko yan sa anak kong dalaga. Kasi mahilig siya sa sweets, mahilig siya sa damp foods.
Yeah,
So, pag after mag-CR, tapos na akong sumunod sa kanya,
may
pag
amoy.
ganun na yung naamoy ko, pinag-juice ko na siya or probiotics ko na siya agad.
Okay. Okay, burning
Yeah.
sensation in the anus when passing stools. Tapos mabaho.
Heat.
Heat pa rin. Tapos walang amoy.
Heat talaga.
Walang amoy. Absence of smell.
Absence of smell, cold.
Yes. Borborygmi with
Berber.
stools. Parang may concerto sa ano.
Spleen deficiency.
Yes. Borborygmi with abdominal distension and without loose stools. So the key word here is distension.
Distension. So, stagnation of liver
Yes.
chico.
Liver cheese stagnation. Very good. Okay. What about flatulence? Alam niyo naman siguro anong flatulence, no? Pinasosyal lang natin yung pang...
Yes. Utot.
Okay. Ang sagwa pa, ang sagwa marinig, no? Pero sabi yung flatulence, parang hindi siya maba. Okay.
Ito
So,
siya.
pattern, pag-utot ng utot.
Liver cheese stagnation,
Yes.
Doc.
Okay, kung may flatulence or diarrhea with foul smell,
Damp heat in spleen or heat in the intestines.
yes. Flatulence or diarrhea without smell.
Without smell, interior cold from splenium deficiency.
Foul smelling, burning sensation in the anus while passing stools.
Heat.
Yes. Pain before urination.
Okay, burning.
Okay, before siya umihi, may pain.
Cheese stagnation in the lower jaw.
Pain during urination.
Damp heat in the bladder.
Pain after urination.
Chi deficiency.
Okay, you
Oh,
see,
okay.
even the way you ask, no, pag
Yeah.
may naihi, ano ba, pain ba before
Yeah.
urination? Is it during or is it after? Masarap gawa ng checklist, no? Okay.
Yes. Mahaba-haba nga lang, Dok. Kasi ako pag nagtatanong ako, masakit ba pag umihi? Yun lang yung tinatanong ko.
Ako din.
Yung during lang.
Ayun lang
Yung,
naman yun.
mm,
Buti nga mayroon tayong ganito.
mm,
Uy, tayo lang gumagawa ng ganito. Ah.
mm,
Kaya yung mga answer nito,
mm.
mag-donate na kayo. Andun po sa ano, saan ko po ito ilalagay? Sa diagnostics at saka sa um, LAMP practitioners and LAMP masterclass. Okay. Enuresis or incontinence of the urine. Ito obvious na obvious. What is your pattern here?
Kidney deficiency.
Retention of urine.
Dampness in bladder or lung chi deficiency.
Difficulty in urination.
Dampness in bladder or kidney deficiency.
So, mas common dito sa mga edad na. So, yun. Yung difficulty. Can you imagine, hindi ka makai. Tapos amoy ihi ka na, no? So, yun. Next, slightly yellow urine.
Normal color.
Dapat po ganun yung kulay ng urine. Amber yellow. Amber color. Amber yellow. Amber pala, sorry. Amber. Parang masyado namang do. Clear urine.
Cold pattern of bladder and kidneys.
Dark yellow urine. So dapat slightly yellow lang yung urine, ha? It's normal. Pag dark yellow urine, that's not normal. So what is the pattern here?
Heat pattern, Doc.
Yeah. Turbid or cloudy urine.
Dampness in bladder.
Yeah. Copious, clear, and pale urination. That means the pathogen is not penetrated yet.
Exterior wind.
Okay. Dark urination during exterior wind cold or wind heat.
Exterior wind penetrating interior.
Galing. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. So, hindi ko masyadong hinabaan kasi baka naman hindi nyo matandaan lahat, di ba? So, I felt na we need to be able to do this tingi-tingi para we can all master what we're studying, right? Thank you so much for joining.
Mas maganda ito, Doc. Yung maliliit lang.